dimensional optical illusion. And I just think it's truly a fascinating phenomenon. So I think that things like art and music, if you're a research scientist, really helps you philosophically grounded. It gives you
the Jeff Richards show.
Oh, man, yeah, man, I haven't seen you in a while. How long's it been? How long's it been? I haven't seen you in a while.
Since I've seen you, Jimmy, it's either you like nut in your butt.
I like nut in my butter.
Your forehead, and it is starting to develop. Is there something?
It was right when you had just started SNL and Bill Murray.
Furstenfeld. Name like that must have toughened your nipples.
It was rough when growing up with that.
What is sound? It has amplitude, it has frequency, it has velocity, it has acceleration, it has momentum.
But let's not get off track.
No.
It's okay, you know, because...
Let me ask you that. Was it easier having been...
You ready to...
You want to plug?
Why don't you go sit on a pile of beef and shove it up your ass? Why don't you...
David Attenborough.
No.
No.
Boy, killing it for you, boy. Killing it.